Hey folks, Eric here. Just want to go over quick, easy programming of a Rainbird automatic watering system. I'm just going to go through the normal auto programs. First of all, we will set the current date. Do that, just set it on the current date. And then with the manual start, advanced button over here, you can cycle through either the day, month, or year, and then set it for whatever it is. And as you cycle through, it just goes through those three modes. When you're done setting the date, just advance it to the next slot, which is current time, and the same thing there. Adjust the hours up or down, advance to the minutes, and then adjust those up or down. And when you're done setting the time, then go to the next position, which is watering start times. Now on that one, that's where it starts getting a little bit more complicated. There are several. You can put 4 watering start times. So it'll go through, you cycle through first, second, third, fourth. As you can see, I have third and fourth turned off. I don't use those. And for the first start time, I have set for 6:15 a.m. You can adjust that in 15-minute increments, up or down. And if I wanted to turn that off, like the third and fourth were, well, I wouldn't turn the first one off. Go to the second. If I want to turn the second one off, instead of having another watering start time at 7, then I will back that all the way up to midnight, and it'll go off. So cycle that all the way backwards to there, and it turns it off. But I'm going to set it for, I think I had it set for 7 a.m. And the reason for that is I go through one cycle at 6:15. It'll go through the whole thing one time and let the water soak in, and then it starts again all over at 7 o'clock, the second cycle. Next, just go to which days you want it to water. So Monday is either on or off. That's simple. On. If you want to start watering on Mondays, or if you want to water on Monday, then you turn it on. And on Monday, it will do both time cycles, first and second, third and fourth if you want them. And then when that's over, it shuts off. Tuesday, turned off, so it won't water on Tuesday or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, I'll probably turn on Saturday and have Sunday off. So 2 days a week I'll be watering now, since we're getting quite a bit of rain. Now you go to the set the valve run time. So this is for every position, how long it's going to run. Now you need to have an idea of what each position does. Like I wrote this on a index card just to jog my memory. Number 1 is the side front yard, 2 is side back, and so on. So I have a general idea of where each valve is, what it waters. So for that position, I want it to run 10 minutes at both times. So it'll run 10 minutes, shut off and move to number 2. And this all happens when it's in the auto position. It just automatically comes on and does all this. Position 2, I want to water for 8 minutes, 3 for 10, 4 for 10, 5 for 6, and so on. 7 is empty, so that's 0. The rest of the valves can have up to 13. I only have 6 valves in my yard. So very simple. That's about all there is to it. Now, what makes it a little bit more complicated here also is that there's 3 programs. So you can do all of this for 3 different programs. So that was program A. Now if I move it to program B, you got to do it all over again. You don't have to set the current date and time, but you do have to set the watering times. Watering times can be different for every program, whether it's A, B, or C. You can see on program C, I start the first one at 7. Program A starts at 6:15, and program B also starts at 6:15. And in program B, the second one starts at 7:45, no third or fourth. Nope, I just messed that up. Go back to off. No third or fourth. Program C starts at 7, the first one. Second time, so it only runs one time. Now, Program C only waters the yard one time around and doesn't go through the second time. And you can also do the set the times for a program, or the days of the week for Program C. If you remember, I had Program A, Monday is turned on, but Program C is off. So you can have those all programmed and then cycle through that if you want. It's probably easy just to have one program. That's usually what I do. And whatever program is you have set here, it'll still, even if you don't have Program B selected, if you have it turned on, let's say we have Monday set where it says off, but if I set it on auto, it's still going to come on Monday because Program A turns on Monday. It'll run Program A on Monday, even if, no matter where this, regardless of where this switch is here. So I don't use the advanced program at all. This does everything I want, so try to keep it simple. I would just have to pretty much relearn this every year, so that would just make it even harder. Anyway, I hope that helps.